Come as you are, leave as you want to be. This morning, look and feel younger without surgery. It can be done. Here to show us how we can turn back the hands of time, Dr. Gary Lee of Look Younger MD. Thank you so much for joining us.
Well, thank you, Del.
Tell us about Look Younger MD. You've been around for a very long time.
Quite a while. We opened up our practice in 2001. And what we do is we actually specialize in helping our patients look younger without surgery.
And you have the reputation as being one of the best places to go for this. And we actually have a picture of you with somebody very famous from the doctors. If we could show that and tell us what is happening right here. What event are you at?
Well, here I was recognized as being one of the top doctors in the United States, one of the top 3 for best cosmetic injectable enhancement.
Wow.
And, and this is essentially what we do. We've structured our entire practice over taking care of people that decided that, you know, we don't want to do surgery.
And people fly in from all over the world to get Botox and Juvederm done by you.
Well, you know, yes, and that's really interesting because, you know, I'm astounded that we have patients flying in from London and other states, and I'm amazed that they actually come, go to all that time and trouble to come and see us because, you know, they want, they're looking for the best treatment they can find. And they're aware that I teach doctors how to do this. I teach for the Botox company. In the state of Nevada, there's hundreds of doctors that do it, but there's only 5 teachers that teach for the company.
And you are one of those 5 people that this company selected, and there are thousands and thousands of doctors, you know, around the world. Well, and right here in Vegas, again, they handpicked 5 of them.
Well, the other thing is there's a new technology for anti-bruising and anti-swelling, and now we can. It's really exciting. We can actually inject you without needles, and our patients are reporting 70 to 100% less bruising, less swelling, and less tenderness. And you look at the scale here, this is like immediately after, there's not one bruise on her. And what amazes me, Dow, is that nobody is really doing this. And I teach doctors how to do this. This is what I lecture on nationally.
Without the bruising is the key again.
Well, you know, like yourself, you can't afford to be bruised and be on television.
Nobody wants to look at that, yeah.
Well, yeah.
Right.
And now we have high-definition television.
Oh, that's even worse,
I know. You can't really hide it like you used to. So the key is, and of course we cannot guarantee that. We say 70 to 100% less bruising, less swelling, and less tenderness.
I also have a picture of one of your patients, Linda. Tell us about Linda, and what procedure did Linda have done?
Well, Linda actually had Botox, Juvederm, and Restylane injected into her. And if you look at her, it's just amazing what we can do without surgery. And this is what we can do. And here's another picture of Linda as you see her in real life.
And was she just thrilled with the results?
It actually changed her life because she would actually talk to people like this, Dal. Because she felt so bad about herself.
Self-conscious?
And when we transformed her, it was like a new person because now she was confident, she was friendly. It made a huge difference.
Not everyone wants plastic surgery. For them, it's a little bit too much. So this is a subtle way of doing something that, again, turns back the hands of time, makes you feel and look better.
Sure. Well, you know, the thing about not everybody wants surgery. You know, you have, it's expensive. There's a risk of surgery. And, you know, you can have an enormous amount of downtime with surgery, and a lot of us just don't have, we can't afford to take that time off work. And, you know, there's the pain, and, you know, sometimes, you know, it doesn't quite come out as good as you hope.
And if you do something, let's say like Botox and Juvederm, you can go to work just right after the procedure? Or do you recommend a rest period?
Well, you can, but like any kind of injection, you can have a bruise. So if you're going to be on television, if you're going to be modeling, if you're doing something special, then we do recommend a little bit of a time. But it's nothing like the downtime you would have from an operation.
Surgery. And you also published 2 articles for a prominent magazine. Tell us.
And this is all on this exciting new technology where we can make you look younger without surgery, but also with less bruising, less swelling, and less tenderness. And I mean, if you can do it without swelling and tenderness, you know, why shouldn't you?
Exactly. Thank you. Dr. Lee's practice is called Look Younger MD. For more information, check out his website or call the number you see right there on our screen. We will be right back.